Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to exchange Christmas present box in Face It Christmas Update Part 2. First, you can get Christmas gift in several ways. You can get them by visiting, joining the greeting sessions, by knocking on all the doors on the Christmas island, or by using redeem codes. If you want a full tutorial on how to get the gift, you can check the link in the descriptions below. Next, after you have the Christmas gift box, you can go to the gift factory on the Christmas island, like this over here. Like this. And then next, just go to items. And then choose items and just choose your gift, like this. And then next, just talk to the Santa. And then just tap on and present, like this. And then you will get the present. And I got luck potions, like this. And okay, that's it. Super easy and worth trying. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.